Before you do the 55 by 5 method for manifestation, watch this video to the end. Super powerful. Hello, this is Hessa Bojona. Welcome back to my channel, and in this video I wanted to share with you my own personal experience doing the very popular 55 by 5 method for manifestation, and the one thing that you can do to even enhance it and make it even more powerful than you can imagine. I personally encountered the 55 by 5 method right here on YouTube, and I thought to myself, why not experiment? Which I did. So just in case you are not familiar with the 55 by 5 method, it is a way of really directing focus towards your intentions for creation. What do I mean by that? So the method goes something like this. For 5 full days, you write a note for your intention. What does this mean? This means that, let's say for example, that you are wanting to manifest a particular thing in your life, whether it is in your financial life, whether it's in your personal love life, whether it's in your relationship with your parents or your children, whatever it is that you want to create or manifest in your life. You create an affirmation sentence about it. Let's say for example that you have a goal for yourself, whether it's about money or whether it's about a relationship, whether it's about finding more joy or peace in your life, whatever it is for you. When we set that goal and we decide, okay, this is something that I would like to have in my life, and so from that space, quite often we'll have our mind coming in telling us why we can't have what it is that we are asking for. And the more we have our mind telling us, or really like thinking over and over again, oh, it's not possible, or these are all the reasons why it's not possible, as long as we keep having that, it will definitely slow down our manifestation for that which we are asking. So this method, why I like it very much, is that it helps you actually focus your mind towards exactly what it is that you are asking for. And each time that your mind tries to, this has been my experience, each time your mind tries to think about all the reasons why this is not possible, because you are retraining by writing this statement, and I'll share exactly what it is over and over and over again. You are retraining your mind to come back each time your mind is wondering and thinking about the reasons why it shouldn't work and the reasons why it is not possible for you. So what is the 555 by 5 method? It is just you writing a statement for something that you want to create in your life. It goes something like this. Let's say for example, you are having like a challenging relationship with your daughter. Let's take that example. And you are sitting at night thinking, oh my God, I wish I had a better and more loving relationship with my daughter. I wish I had a more peaceful relationship with my daughter. Let's take that example. So that's something that you are wishing for, that you are wanting and aching for in your life, and for yourself and for also your daughter. So you can write a statement, simple statement like this, right? I am so happy and grateful now that I have such a loving relationship with my daughter. Or I am so happy and grateful now that my daughter and I have a great understanding in our relationship. Whatever it is for you, this applies for every single area in your life, no matter what it is that you want to create and manifest in your life. So now you have your statement, and then it is that statement that you write over and over and over and over again. So the 55 by 5 stands for 55 times 5 days in a row, right? I don't know if you necessarily, I've done it less than 55 times, and it's helped me tremendously. I don't know necessarily that you need to do it 55 times, but like just the mere fact that you keep repeating, and you are really giving the command to your brain. You're giving the command to your brain, this is what we're doing, this is what this is what we're doing. This is our new reality. I'm so happy and grateful now that. I'm so happy and grateful now that. So now, if that statement feels like it is false to you, if that statement feels like this is kind of a lie to me, that means that you are not allowing yourself to receive it. You can change it. You can change it to, I am committed. I am committed to healing my relationship with my daughter. I'm committed to doing everything in my power to heal my relationship with my daughter. So now that is the 55 by 5 method. But again, at the beginning, I said that the 55 by 5 is all about giving focus to your mind, giving focus to your energy towards what it is that you want to create. And I actually, if you know me, you know I like to experiment. I found a way to make it even more powerful before you do the 55 by 5, right? Which means writing your statement, deciding one thing that you want to create, manifest, receive in your life. You make that statement, and then before you start writing it down, everything is about energy, right? Creation is about intention, and it's about energy. Where our intention goes regularly on a regular basis, energy accumulates there, and creation happens naturally. And so where am I going with this? One way that I found that can help you tremendously, even magnify your manifestations when you do the 55 by 5 method, is by activating your bioenergy before you get yourself into writing down your 55 by 5 statements, right? So what does it mean? By activating your own bioenergy, and by starting to write it down, you are literally pouring your energy into your statement. It makes it more believable for you. It gives your brain even much stronger command for creation, and it helps you manifest even faster than you can even imagine. So now, how do you activate your bioenergy? I have a complete video where I show you how to do this, and I'll put a link below this video so that you can access it. But here I can show you very quickly an easy way to do so, which is this, right? Which is simply tapping your fingertips, tapping your fingertips together. And as you keep tapping, feel the tips of your fingertips, and then slowly stop, and then bring your hands about 2 inches apart. And feel the energy between your hands as either tingling sensation, warm sensation, magnetic sensation, or even electric sensation. And then open and close, and magnify the energy sensation by opening and closing. You can do this for 5 minutes before you start, each time, every day, for those 5 days, before you start writing down your statement, your affirmation, and see the magic unfold. For the full video of how to activate your bioenergy, how to utilize it for manifestation, I'll have a link below for you to access. If you try this method, make sure that you share all of your results with me. I can't wait to hear what you experience with this. Talk to you soon. Bye. Thanks for watching. If you liked this video, please make sure that you subscribe to my channel by hitting the subscribe button right below this video, and also make sure that you hit the notification bell so that you are notified when I post videos just like this one. Bye.